A very big Jai Hind and good afternoon to all class 9th students. Today we are going to see or I can say class 11th student. We are going to explain the summary and then we will close this poem, and question answers already provided to you. So let us start. Some students are saying they are not able to understand. So student, I want to say you, I am explaining the subject in totally English because our school, Karamdeep Institution, Karamdeep School is a English medium school. And when you are able to see and when you are able to listen in English format, our subject English, you are able to understand and try to write the answers in your own way. So in English it's not a point to explain to you in Hindi. So you will pay attention. I have given you the tags, I have given the tricks how to understand it. Word meaning I am giving you earlier of every chapter. Then I am explaining the summary in a very simple language. And in the last we are going to see the question answers. So let us see. Firstly, see the meaning. This meaning you already had in your class or copy. Now this is a word meaning. Line by line we are going to see. Let us see. Textbook, ठीक है? Understand? Okay. Now, wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the window. Don't scatter the paper. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You torn the pages of a book. You bought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. See, poking fun, making laugh. See the 6 lines. Shutters, each a pair of hanging panels fixed inside. Shutters of the window is blowing. The poem wind. Now see the meaning of wind means simple. It is air, forcefully air. In this poem, the wind is described in a destructive mode, destructive way, disaster. Wind is blowing, storming, coming, storms, and all papers are floating. The windows are open. Each pair hanging windows panels are open. Then we are making poking fun means laugh on someone, laughing, try to tease. Okay. Then the next line, let us see. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling boards, and crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind God winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him, so come, let build strong house. Crumbling means falling down, crushes. Falling small fragments, okay? Small piece we can say, small fragments. Crushes means deform, crush means to squeeze, to forcefully, force applied. Force applied. So crushes the wind crushes and destroy all the things in a house. We have to be strong. Strong enough like a mountain, we have to stand. Now, God winnows and crushes them all. Be strong. Let's join the door firmly. Practice to form the body. Make the heart steady, fast. See. Roar the loud voice of a lion. Voice. Here indicate wind. The voice is very fast, hard, destroying. Now God will not. See, God heroic means nature shift the weak and strong. But we should be enough strong, we should be optimistic, we should be ready to face the every challenge of life. We should be stand like a mountain. Like a fire, a small fire is extinguished by a small wind, but the fire of jungle, the fire of forest, California, big, huge, gigantic, doesn't get extinguished. So the moral of the poem means wind is our friend. It tries to snoop our weakness and bad habits, and we have to be in a positive way. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.